Aquaba, wonderful people, welcome to Diane's channel. Another day, another day. I'm thankful. I trust you are thankful for another day. All roads are headed to where? Jamaica Village. You know, in 2020, when I decided to look into the continent of Africa and was led to Ghana. And you know, you're going through YouTube and you look at the content creators who really speaks to where you're headed. And Jamaica Village was brought to the fore. And I said to myself, and I was at home saying, yes, you know, when I get to Ghana, where I want to go. And I said, I have to visit the famous Jamaica Village. Well, I'm doing that and heading there today. And so, hold tight. You know, I love the hold tight. And just stay tuned. And let me see what I can capture. Because I'm really looking forward to the Jamaica Village experience. You know, I'm still being asked about the weather. And I'm going to be as definitive as I can be comparing Jamaica's weather where I'm coming from. 3.5 months now in Ghana. For me, I found Jamaica to be hotter than Ghana. And today the sun was out. And a couple persons said to me, this is very hot. And I'm saying, is this the hottest it can get? I'm okay. So for Diane, Jamaica is hotter. And again, we're coming back to safety. You know, a friend said, boy, Dan, you're doing a lot and moving around. You really feel safe. Ghana has been ranked the second most peaceful country in sub-Sahara Africa. Yes, West Africa. Ghana is West Africa. Let me repeat, the second most peaceful. Mauritius holds the coveted position of number 1. So, again, people, wherever you're coming from, then you can make the comparisons. And then you see exactly what I'm talking about. Right? We know crime is everywhere. Yes, we can all agree. And I refer to the different branches of crime. And I will say to you, coming from Jamaica to Ghana, I'm okay, out and about. I'm not panicking, I'm not nervous. And whilst in Jamaica, I drove myself a lot. In Ghana, in taking the different rides available, the Bolts or the Uber, when I'm dropped at a location, if there are other places close by, your girl uses a transportation called footshell. Footshell is I use my foot and I walk in up and down and around. So again, with the safety issue, it speaks for itself, that ranking. Again, there is nowhere on planet Earth that crime does not exist. But let us look at rankings. Yes? Based on your population. or even when they decide to do certain statistics and they put out that figure. I don't know what to call that figure is. And so with that said, I am comfortable to say to persons, you're okay. Yes? Hold your phone though. Right? Yeah. They snatch your phones. So, hold it in. But again, it's okay. It's nothing to be panic-stricken about. And I'm not going to stop saying it. The ranking speaks for itself. So, Jamaica Village, where we're going, what I can say to you, for those of you who do not know, it's a Jamaican family who have made Ghana their home for more than 12 years. I think their story cannot be shared enough. I'm looking forward to going to their space. Again, the famous Jamaica Village, and have a proper one-on-one, hopefully, with the couple. If not, the missus, the madam will give me more than 3 minutes. So, I soon come back. Just keep it locked. Stay tuned. Share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Where is Jamaica Village? I will say it is close to Akropong. You know the Akropong where I went to, it's a little while now, almost 2 months. Yeah, probably more than 2 months. It's up that area. That is the area, that region where they say, quite a bit of the Jamaicans make their home. They're nestled there. So I'm actually going to go back, but Jamaica Village, and they refer to it when you speak to that, they say, oh, up in the hills. So Diane is heading up into the hills. So again, keep it locked. Thank you to my subscribers for rolling with me. Channel moving. We're not doing too rusty for over 3.5 months. Soon come back. God bless.